today we're going to open these Ulta mini brands. I'm going to pull this down, so guys, like and subscribe. Let's get into them. I'm hoping for a hair dryer for Gigi. Guys, if you're wondering who Gigi is my hairstylist. She's been wanting the hair dryer for like ever. Let's hope I get it. Guys, do you want to see what it looks like? Because I personally don't have it. So guys, this is what this is the collection it's in. Please, okay, it's a box. Literally every time of these. Literally, I keep on getting the ones I already have. Literally, I wish I could get the hairdryer just once. Please. Seriously? I keep on getting the ones I already have. I'll show you once I've opened it. All the bags. Oh my gosh. Why do I keep on getting the ones I already have? Literally, guys, I haven't opened one of these in so long. What? I have this pink Glinda lip gloss, I'm calling it. 2 pink Glinda items. And 2 alphabet items. Time to open up the second ball. Shh, ASMR. I finally said it right, guys. ASMR. Guys, that's always so satisfying. Guys, I used to say ASMR. I'm gonna check. I'm checking the shapes first. This might be it. Ooh, these things are tiny. They don't smell like the actual product. But Hopescope did a video of these, and she opened 100 of them, and she got the actual thing. I don't have this one yet. Let's go. I'm getting lucky for this one. I am actually getting lucky for once. Alright, I'm not that lucky. I have these patches. I was lucky, though. Let's try to fit on. Okay, this one. Please, Oh my gosh. I actually have this. What the? This is so cute. Oh my gosh. A mini sunscreen glow stick. I kind of been wanting that one. Let's see what our last bag gets us. Not the hair dryer, but it is one I don't have yet. One sec, let me check what it is. Oh my gosh. It's actual mascara. That opens, guys. Look at it. It has like a cheetah print. And guess what, guys? I love the ones that open. See, like, this is actually fluffy, guys. If you feel close enough into your screen, you might even feel it. It's so soft. Okay, guys. Hi, guys. like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Put sunscreen on with this tiny sunscreen thing.